What is an eclipse? An eclipse happens when one object in space blocks another from view. That happens because the moon and Earth are constantly moving in orbit around the sun. As the Earth and moon move around, sometimes they are lined up with the sun. Although the sun is a lot bigger than the moon, it is also a lot farther away from Earth, so the sun and moon can look almost the same size from Earth. On Earth, we see solar eclipses, when the moon blocks the sun, or lunar eclipses, when Earth blocks the moon. In a lunar eclipse, the moon, Earth, and sun are lined up with Earth between the moon and the sun. In that case, Earth blocks the sun from shining on the moon, so Earth's shadow falls on the moon. A solar eclipse can be partial or total. In both kinds, when the moon comes between Earth and the sun, it casts a shadow on Earth. In a partial eclipse, only part of the sun is blocked from view. In a total eclipse, the sun is completely blocked for people viewing it from Earth. The moon casts a dark shadow on Earth, and the sky goes completely dark. It seems like it is nighttime. The total eclipse only lasts for a few minutes, as the moon moves past the sun. Only the people within the small area covered by the center of the moon's shadow will see a total eclipse. People just outside of that area will see a partial eclipse. Solar eclipses can be dangerous to look at directly. If you're lucky enough to view one in person, you should only look at the solar eclipse through special viewing glasses. Otherwise, your eyes could be permanently damaged. Total solar eclipses do not happen very often. Even though Earth and the moon are always moving in a regular pattern through the sky, their orbits are not perfectly circular. They don't always line up in the same way in relation to the sun.